Let's construct a diagram to represent the first field cycle we have produced. The structure of this diagram may appear unproductive or confusing, however, we will find the method invaluable when analyzing other field cycles. We will prescribe the horizontal axis as time and the vertical axis as observed velocity. The diagram is split in two by the horizontal axis. The region beneath the horizontal axis will depict the state of the primary observer as observed by itself. The region above the horizontal axis will depict the state of the co-observer as observed by the primary observer. We will mark time t0 on the diagram. This point marks the start of the field cycle. Initially, the primary observer observes the co-observer to be at rest. Instantaneously, at time t0, the system observes the scalar field. The primary observer witnesses an unexplainable increase in the momentum of the co-observer. To reconstruct its observed reality, the primary observer begins to accelerate toward the co-observer. We can see that as the primary observer accelerates toward the co-observer, the primary observer observes the co-observer to lose its energized state. Eventually, the primary observer observes the co-observer to exist at its ground state once again. The primary observer has now reconstructed its reality after the field fractured it. We will call the period that it takes to re-establish reality the duration of the field cycle. The boson field, however, is not easily eluded. After completing the field cycle, the primary observer no longer observes the effects of the boson field. The field, however, is an immutable continuum. Because of this, the primary observer forcibly re-acknowledges the field. Instantly after the primary observer reconstructs its reality is once again fractured. After the fracturing of reality, the primary observer again goes through a field cycle to reconstruct reality. The field continuously fractures reality, and the primary observer constantly reconstructs reality. The field cycles experienced by a system dictate a continuous series of progression. As a result of these processes, the primary observer witnesses a persistently repeating instant where it observes its known reality.